HVAC Tool Porn's favorite type of day. It's penetrations, baby. Penetrations, and some more we penetrate 9 times here. Not bonded or insured to cut roofs, so the roofers do it. They own the roof anyways. It's their roof. They just put it in. Honor the warranty, they gotta cut it. So it's as simple as spot on that roof. Let's see, he's over here roofing. So these are spring action downstairs. You pull lever and they go flying up for ventilation. Like this. There's a bird sitting on top of it. Flying. It's a pretty cool sight to see.
How big do you want these holes?
We're sticking 4-inch pipe through them, so if you go, you know, a little bit bigger than that, how I normally say to do it is I drop them in and I trace it and kind of just cut a square out of it. I don't know if that's how you want to do it. 5-inch at least.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna get all of them like cut out first.
All right.
So.
Sounds good. Take your time. Do your thing, man.
We only have one generator right now, so we're waiting for other guy to get you know, chug along.
We'll get paid by the hour, man. Alright, so we took 24 inches from the ceiling down. The rest is going through the roof. We spotted them with the green wire because it's a white roof up top. And we had a whole bunch of ground wire laying around. Roofer's gonna cut the hole. And we're gonna shut a pipe up. And then we're gonna connect exhaust and intakes. Crimp the start here. Band it in. Your intake. Start, 3 screws, flexible, 3 screws. Bang, bang.
That's what I see here. You got elbow on top. You pick that to 45. Now what we're doing is going to take a nice measurement.
One, two, 3, 4.